Hey guys, I'm Riz Cabardell from oakgraceweb.com and welcome to How to Make a Web Page Part 3. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a form, and once that form is filled out, send it to an email. Alright, let's get started. First things first, let's start with the form. Let's start with the form tag. Action. Let me zoom in. No, I want to do. Let's see for now. Action equals email.php. Correct. Method equals post. And of course, always put the closing tag. Of course, that alone does not put in the form itself. This will put the form on it. Okay, right now let's just do a label. Let's call this first name, and of course input type equals text. I'll explain what all this does in a moment. Input. Okay, let's see. I don't really know off the top of my head, which nobody ever does when they're doing some tutorials, sometimes like that. So let's reference my contact page from our website. Sometimes I like to reference my own code, so I know. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Let's close this. And size 20 and a max length of 40. And okay, the closing label tag, closing p tag. Let's do the same thing for each one. While we're at it, let's add some JavaScript validation. Okay, label last name, input type equals text, name equals L name, size equals 40. The reason why we're giving the last name instead of 40 is that some people have really long last names. And let's say we should give it a maximum length of, let's say, 50? Why not? Right? And closing label tag, closing p tag, input type equals text. The input tag is for kind of like a box you type text in, pretty much. Like in most forms you see online, you click on a box, you see a little cursor blinking on and off, like this, for example. Now let's do this. Name equals. The reason why I'm naming these is that so that has something to reference in the PHP. PHP is a programming language. It's actually pretty great. Size should be 40. Max length should be 60. And the size and max length are the number of characters allowed. What do we mean by characters? Text, basically. Like numbers, letters, special characters, things like that. And for special characters, it's like these. For example, those are often referred to as special characters. And let's say I want a comment section as well. What am I doing? Okay, here we go. Text area. Okay, I'm gonna reference my code again. Sorry about this, guys. Sometimes I forget some things, but it's always good having your own some templates or code or sets you have made to reference from. It's very good reminders. Okay, here we go. Text area, name, rows, and cols. Okay. What are cols? Cols are columns. Name equals comment, rows equals. Let's say like 4 rows. That's for columns. Let's see what's value kind of. Okay, 40. Let's do 45 for this one. Just for the heck of it. And let's see, text area is, oh great. Let's see, let's scroll down. And okay, I just want to make sure. Text area tag is not a it's not a link, it's not an empty tag. But it's a normal tag, alright. And let's add a line break. So BR. Okay, and let's see. We should also include, oh, forgot to do this. Okay, let's add a submit button. Input type equals submit. Value equals submit. Okay, let's check how this looks. Let's look up where it's located. Should be the desktop. Now where is test on here? Our test folder we created. There it is. And let's see how this looks. This is the same file. And there's some things I removed and some things I included that I was working on and would show you soon enough. So it's going to work. For now, let's see how this form looks as soon as it loads. Okay, the ticks are black. We should change that. Okay. just do a color of white. So this does anything. There we go. Check this out. Got your text box. Got our submit button. Now let's reference it with a PHP script. Let's Control S. Well, actually, Control Alt S if Control S does not work. We could head up. Okay, we're in test. Let's name this email.php extension PHP hypertext processor. Let's save it. Okay, now let's work on this. Okay, PHP tag. That's how it is. Always put the closing. And just that right there. Now then, scalar f name equals. Let's see what I got here. Okay. Scalar underscore. I will warn you, PHP is case sensitive. So if you're coding this with me, do exactly as I'm doing. Well, actually, it's just easier just to this. Of course, I will explain line by line what each means to make up for the lack of coding. Sorry about that, guys. I was getting a little interruption heading on in the background. But other than that, let's get back to work. As for this, I don't need these, so let's get rid of these. And let's do comment section. What's in caps still? Comments equals. Wait, it's comment. That's the name of it. There we go. Scalar underscore request. Comment. Let's make sure. Yes, comment. There we go. And let's always finish this line off with a semicolon. Let's do. Why do I have both two of the same thing here? Let's bring this over. Okay. Let's get rid of these two. Because we don't need much. Only for these few. And this would be changed to comment. Okay. Now I'll tell you what this is doing. In PHP, the $sign is often referred to as scalar. And what scalar does is kind of like, in CSS we have selectors. I think it's PHP as scalar is a way of a selector. You're selecting the name you gave. For example, the first name input, you give it F name for first name. It's asking for it, and asking for whatever's being put in the text box. The same for each one. And this is, for example, like if this is filled out and this and this and this, then this will be sent. And with mail, here is where you'll place your email. Always run it with double quotes, well, single quotes, preferably. And for testing purposes, actually, that's fine. How we had it. You can have it like this, and if you want a message to show up, you could say, for example, this echo statement. Actually, just do it right here. Let's see, where is that echo statement again? Okay, just make sure, guys. Echo. Always put this here. And let's do this. Thank you. Make it bold. And we're referencing this, so scalar f name. For contacting me. I will reply to you at, let's go to the italicized, scalar email. And let's see, what else should we include? How about the comments? How about this? Let's also include the last name. Scalar L name. Your, oh, duh. I gotta put it inside. And of course, it has to be separated. But I'm really messing up today, am I? It's alright, guys. You can be honest. Your comment is as follows. For example, we put like scalar comment, and let's say we want it bold and italic. Let's close the italic and close bold. Okay, this is PHP, right? So you won't be able to view it regularly. So that's why we're going to start with a program called XAMPP. And we're going to start Apache. Apache is a server for PHP. And let's copy these files. And locate our XAMPP folder, which should be in our C drive. XAMPP. Always place PHP files in your htdocs. I got a folder for PHP, but for now, let's just, paste it in here. So you can see I did a bit of work in PHP, and I'll go into it for a bit. Alright, I should create a folder for this. Let's see, new folder. Let's name this temp1. And let's start moving these. Okay. Control to test. Where's the assets folder? All the way up here. Gotta love how it formats everything for you. And it makes it hard to find. But no worries. Okay, it's in temp. Now how to check this? You go into your browser, as long as you're running Apache, you'll be fine. Let's go to local host /php and wait for this to load. I really wish this would not take too long. Okay, I just gotta close this tab and go to a new one. Close this from here. Come on. Come on, Chrome. You can do it. You can do it. This is gonna take a while. If Chrome is, then it's gonna be a big issue for this video. Then I'm just gonna switch to Firefox. Or perhaps, yes, dare I say it, IE. Okay, let's bring it up. Took a while though. Okay, as I recall, we saved it in a folder called temp1. Let's select it. And let's select test.html, of course. And let's start filling these things out. Let's see. You could do it anywhere like else. You can, for example, do a autofill. I like that. I like about Chrome. Crud. There you go. That's an autofill for you. That's the second email of mine. You may contact me as well if you like. I also take requests. If you guys want to know how to do something like that, let me know. So let's say this is a test email. Let's hit submit and see what happens. Okay, let's see. Failed to connect on a... Okay, but apparently the echo statement is working. Says it says we got an error on line 18. Let's check it out. Scalar underscore post email. And test email name email. Okay. It says line 18, but it's not always that line. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, in How to Make a Web Page Part 4, I'll have this figured out with a solution for you guys. Till then, let me know what you guys want to know next. Let me know what you guys want to learn. I'll do my best to create a video instructional enough for you. I don't know how. I know videos are long. How's that working out for you guys? Do you like them shorter? Do you mind if they're long? Let me know.